The nothing cave.
Noodles. Hey!
Apparently you can't break an into.
Huh?
Apparently I can't break this into.
Here. Maybe I can? Oh, shit. Sorry. You alright? Maybe you burn it? Oh.
I can't take it back, and we don't need this into. No, this look. Drive or you want?
Huh?
Do you want to drive?
Sure. Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go? Jesse?
Home.
Want me to go to Jack or another cave or?
Yeah. Do you not hear me? Hello?
No. Now I hear you.
Okay, what the hell is going on with this fucking mic, bro? Or just go to Jack.
Okay.
I guess I have to have a like close up to my club face, like close up. Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna stay like follow the path.
Yeah, I'm...
Easier.
Thread the needle. Oh. Ow. Path is right over here, right? You kidding me? There we go. So how's your day going, Jesse?
It's going alright thus far.
Is that something important, or do I?
I'm gonna get out of here. Make sure nothing. I've been here before. Oh, we can't do.
You want to get in, Jesse?
There ain't nothing there.
Do I take a right?
I
Yes.
think all my actual map in maybe we can take this way.
I mean, I think I could just cut through right here, can't I? So I plan on playing Getting Over It soon. I am mentally not ready for that.
That makes sense. I mean, it took me a while to fully beat it, but I was able to do it.
Jack, open the door! There's no horn or anything. Jack! You open the door.
How do you open it? There we go.
Didn't he say he was going to get rum noodles or something?
No, like he had ramen noodles in game.
Oh. The fuck is he watching?
Put your hands up.
Oops.
What's that blue thing? You see that? That's
That was a great
undulating?
question. I don't know what that might be a dig set. I think that might be a dig. The one that I know has
Do you
stuff.
want to do the cave next to the big site?
I think that one. Yeah, we might be going to that one.
Alright, Jesse,
Yeah,
you
but
drive.
go to the blue site. Yeah, we can go. Oh, okay. Gabe, do you want to go explore a cave again?
Sure.
While Jack scrolls on Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
How'd you know?
Because we can hear him. I can hear your mic.
Here. I'll
I
open the
muted
door.
that shit!
I'll open. Oh wait.
Alright, let me see. How do I get across this?
We
Is
should have
it
built a
not going
bridge.
through my blue Yeti mic?
Yeah.
Let me look.
I mean,
You want me to open this
doesn't
door?
sound the greatest, but yeah. We'll take a walk right now.
Here, you go ahead and drive through. I'll close it.
Take a long way
Oh
my God.
Well,
This thing.
It's a narrow
Yeah.
gap.
Ugh, I don't hit you, fuck. Does it do damage?
No, it don't. By the way, Jack, I was watching your videos today. I was
what'd you think?
cleaning my house and your videos just honestly just came up on my TV. I think I watched Fears of Fathom in like the window cleaner.
Okay.
This ain't good.
What'd you think about that?
They were good. Honestly, they were good.
We've been here.
You did you were talking about diarrhea a lot.
What?
In the fucking window cleaner, you were talking about the diarrhea a lot.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, like they like put paint or blood on the windows, and you kept saying, "Oh, it's diarrhea," blah blah blah. And then you clean the bathroom, and it's like, man, this is where it happened. This is the crime scene.
Here we go. Here we go. Now we're making some progress. Of course, there's like a Rockies part here. This leads what right back over there. This path sucks.
But yeah, the reason why I asked you that question earlier is because I have no idea how to like add effects or move my fucking camera. All I know is just to cut and shit.
I use Premiere Pro, but Adobe's greedy as fuck, so you don't want to do that.
The one I have, I mean, I don't pay a lot for it. I think it's just like $20 a month or something. But
That's like fucking, that's Adobe's price, I think.
really?
Yeah.
Ugh.
I mean, it must be alright if it's $20 a month, so maybe just look up a video on how to use it.
Yeah.
Hello. Did I hit you? Nope, I just drive right.
You got him stuck.
Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting really just drive.
What's the
right
K
through.
on the map?
K? Oh, that's Kelvin.
Oh. Shouldn't he
That's
be
the
following
guy
us?
who's mute and shit. I think he just stays at our base. Hold on. Let me look at my map. Okay, not going. So yeah, I just went the entire wrong way because I can't tell. Oh wait,
Whoa,
I'm
how the fuck do
driving-
you... I want a bow.
Can you?
That
change
was the other-
map?
Was that? Is this just
Oh my
another golf
God.
cart?
What?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. What that other indicator might. I just realized I can change the map while I can't see the paths anymore. Okay. So we're gonna take a very wild and crazy route, but I'm gonna go where that TV indicator is on the map.
Don't kill us, bro.
Yeah, if I could see the shit clearly, I would love that, but I don't think I can. So
Also, Jack,
Huh?
I've
Drive away! I almost got fucking obliterated.
no, you don't. So wants to be Ashley so bad. Taken away.
you are following a deer trail.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Because it's the only frickin' path that isn't terrible. I mean, I could just cut through everything. That's possible. This thing's kinda hard to control, I ain't gonna lie.
It is.
Oh, goodness
Oh no!
gracious.
Oh no!
Thankfully, this thing stops on a dime.
Oh!
Oh, I just killed that bunny. Oops, dude.
Yeah, that was a
That
rabbit.
ain't good. Alright, hold on, let me see. Well, I think the only clear path is if I just go straight from now on out. So, let's not run over anything. Sir. I could just straight out. Straight out. We're gonna go see what this TV indicator is. Okay, we're gonna drive down this little ditch. And go through all these trees. And I got nothing. But this ain't bad at all. Freewheel. Let's just freewheel real quick. Hell yeah. Freewheel the entire way. Alright, we're done freewheeling. Yep, we're like almost there, I think. Oh, it's on the opposite side of the frickin' water.
I think you. Hold on. How
Alright.
bad? If it's like flat, we can easily just walk or drive across.
Yeah, that's a great question. Apparently there's a path across the water, according to this. No,
There's a
isn't
lot
path
of cannibals
across the
over there.
water. I see that. Well, I think we can get past this. I don't think it's that deep.
No,
This
it
the
is
way
not
to
deep.
go. So, we're gonna get through it. Don't you worry about it. Okay, we're through it. Alright.
This is a nice little clearing.
Back onto the path. Here. That
Oh
is a
my
creek.
god.
That is a creek. We go to this little bumpy area. Just like so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Free wheel. Wheel. Save the electricity. Oh, that's a creek. Well, let's see if we can just drive up this thing.
Oh hell yeah.
We can.
We got four-wheel
This thing has
drive.
four-wheel drive. You know what they say, that Red Bull gives you wings. But moonshine gives you four-wheel drive.
Where'd you hear
Dude,
that
this
from?
Uber fucking sucks. I'm giving you 1 star.
Yeah. No, that's what you get for going to
I'm gonna write you a
Queens.
bad
Alright,
Yelp
buddy.
review.
Okay. Good news. We're like here pretty much. We just gotta go looking for it. Which I think it's just a dig site, so I don't even think we can actually do anything with it. Unless
You would
it's-
be wrong.
Yeah,
I
guess
think
so.
it's the 3D printer, I'm not gonna lie.
That would be goated right about now.
So what's good about the 3D printer?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, this is the place that I think we found when we went to the cave because it gave us an indicator on the map.
Parallel universes.
Light bulb.
That guy looks familiar.
cells. Book. Parallel universes and how to travel between them.
That was written by the main character.
Yeah, that was written by, I think, the kid.
Oh,
Bro, he took
fuck
my
it.
shit.
Oh,
There's like
I thought it was.
actual
I thought it was like the
Or
three-person
actual,
thing. I'm so sorry.
There's actual arrows in the corner, Jack, for your boat if you want.
What?
There's actual arrows in this corner, I think. Thank God. it's
Do
fine.
not take that from me. Okay, there.
It takes 15 seconds to make them. Why do you?
Because Gabe already took mine. It's about principle.
I don't think there's anything else. They won't give us a box crunchy one.
Did you guys pick up a key card or something?
They were done it.
There's like a key card door down there that we need a key card for.
We need to get a key card. We need to find Virginia's, I think. Virginia's key card. Is there like anything else though?
No.
Sure.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, this is the gym, believe it or not. But where'd you go? Yeah, this is the gym. If we get the key card, oh, we got money. Yeah, this is a gym behind this door.
Yo,
We
we
don't
can
have
work
the key.
out and get ripped.
Yeah, well, kind of. There's fingers in there.
Those are the Vor things, aren't they?
Feather, a rock, and that's nice.
Huh?
No,
Well, I
was
didn't
just
think
saying
it
what
went
was
this
in-
far.
Yeah, it goes this far. That's the gym, Jack. Remember? Behind those doors. That's the gym.
Wait, can't we take the fight?
What?
Can we go in there?
No, we don't have a key card.
Oh.
Sounds all creepy and scary
You
out
really
there.
wanted to- Wait.
I
grappling
am
hooks?
very tired.
I don't remember. We can sleep here, I guess. Need be.
Let's do that.
We're good.
What? Wait. What time is it? Can we check?
It is 19 o'clock, so it's
Okay, we're
just
good.
about 9.
Alright.
What a time to be alive. Yeah, there's like a grappling hook here, but I don't know if we like need a grappling hook. For what we would use it for.
I don't have anything to drink.
Gabe, by the way, you can unequip your
Yeah,
scuba
your
gear.
rebreather's on.
Yeah, unequip that so you can run faster.
How do I
It's in the
unequip that?
bottom, open your inventory. It's in the bottom right. You just see it and you just right click on it. You'll see it move a little bit. Or left click it actually. No, your actual inventory.
I know, it won't let me.
Open, just press tab.
I
Don't
am
hold
hitting
it, don't
tab.
hold it. Press-
Okay.
It's in the bottom right. Just left click it.
Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know this was...
What?
That it was all the way over here. I didn't even know this was a thing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is a
So,
thing.
we're gonna go to the cave next to the 3.
Yeah. I think that leads us to either the compound bow or...
Oh, we need that, bro.
Or the rope gun. No, the compound bow is actually underground. Okay, we need to get...
The
Yeah,
compound
that's
bow is my favorite weapon in this game.
Bottles. Do I have too many batteries? I need that MRE.
Gabe, make sure to make Molotovs, by the way.
I have a fuck gun.
Oh my god. Help me!
I don't know if it's boss.
Fucking bugged out of my mind!
I mean, if need be, could just...
Gabe needs
crouch
to just
down.
move, or I can kill him. I guess.
Huh?
Gabe,
You don't-
get up or I'll kill you.
It won't matter. This is rotten. Dropped it to get inventory space. Like crouch jump? Crouch jump? Yep, you could just restart the day, Jack. Just restart, just pull.
I did save, so.
Ow.
Not having it.
What? I was on the opposite side of the room!
Kill just Jack, just leave, fully.
Yeah, I know, I know.
I got chips, guys. I got loads of chips. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not hitting a tree. I'm not hitting a tree. Fuck! Jesse's so much a better driver than me.
How are you boys doing? I'm waiting. Wabbit season. Duck season. Gabe, fall in the creek. See you. I see you. falls into the creek. Alright, let me give you a push. Give you a push. Get out. Get out.
Oh my god!
What the? What the fuck? How did you end up here? How did you end up here?
I flew in the air.
What the hell?
Please tell me you saw me fly.
I didn't see you fly. I just saw you teleport after you hit me. It's right here.
Okay.
I'd save while you're in there just in case.
Okay, I will. I will.
Jesse, we can make a protein shake. We need to do that, dog. We need to get our protein in, right?
Need a
Gram
bulk
per
up?
pound of body weight, yeah.
Maybe.
Even though it's extremely hard to make, I think.
Can't even believe there's a protein shake in game. That doesn't make sense.
Pills go into it, apparently.
I'm a resave. Oh, you're making the arrows first?
Oh, I guess. I just made whatever was on the...
Oh. Let me put it on. There you go.
I don't really have a bow yet.
Yeah, I'm safe. Sure you safe.
I did.
Okay. We don't need to have an get up here.
Ah.
Yippee!
Okay, that...
Save while you
Yeah,
while
I'm
you
saving
have
now.
the damn thing. All right, let's get out of here. Because if we somehow glitch into the floor again, hopefully we have all of our shit. That's real.
Amen.
Alright, I guess you take yours and I'll take the other one. We'll head up there.
So we're heading to Jack now?
Yeah. Get this money.
I think I'm stuck. Nope, I'm free. I'm free. Nice, relaxing,
Oh my god, you just killed her.
Did I?
Oh, well, she's bleeding.
It's stuck.
We hit her with the golf cart. I hope we don't get the bad ending now because Gabe hit her with the golf cart.
It's stuck.
We're here. Doesn't matter.
Imagine we get the bad ending
Because I hit her with a
golf
fucking
cart.
cart.
Yeah. No, I think they have contingencies for that. I think.
It was an accident. I didn't even see her.